Advaita. Today I am going to tell about few lines about Sri Ramanavami. Sri Ramanavami is one of the famous festivals of Hindus. Sri Ramanavami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Sri Rama. Lord Sri Rama was the son of King Dasaratha and Queen Kaushalya of Ayodhya Kingdom. Sri Rama is called seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu. Sri Rama married to Sita, who was the daughter of King Janaka of Mithila Kingdom. South Indian people celebrate Sri Ramanavami as the wedding anniversary of Rama and Sita. People wake up early in the morning, clean their houses and the worship place. People put an idol of infant Rama, Sita, Lakshmanan and Hanuma for worshipping. On this day, people offer Ramcharitmanas in their homes. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and don't forget to share. Bye.